Good morning, Bobcats.
I'm Isabella Bernabeo, your Assistant Web Editor-in-Chief.
And I'm Juliette, your Sports Editor.
And welcome back to another exciting episode of The Sage. For this week's show, we have a feature on Sage Creek's robotics team,
a look at our students' unique styles on campus,
an investigative story on e-bike safety,
and lastly, a live sports interview with our girls volleyball team.
Let's get into it. Hey Juliette, what do you think about robotics?
To be honest, I have no idea what that is.
Well, today we're going to learn more about it. Let's give it away to Jack Donnelley for an inside look at our robotics team.
The robotics program is one of the best extracurricular activities you can get involved with at Sage Creek. Our school has 4 different robotics teams to choose from: Bobcats, Level Up, Crowforce, and Python. The teams are all different sizes, so you could join anyone based on how much experience you have. The experience and opportunities you gain from robotics could be invaluable in certain career pathways. We asked Cutler Crowell, a mentor for our Sage Creek robotics program, about potential career opportunities.
A lot of the interns and new hires that we've done at Nordson have been robot club alumni. So it looks great on resumes. It's great for working as a group.
This can be a huge factor for certain people when considering joining the program, but it's not all about the future. Sometimes robotics is just about the here and now.
I think students should do robotics because it's a good way to hang out with your friends outside of school and also get some work done. It's a solid extracurricular to put down on your activities.
If you have any questions or are interested in joining a robotics team, you can join their Discord server with the QR code or the link on screen.
Wow, I had no idea that robotics includes coding, building, and computing.
Who knows, maybe in the next 10 years, robots will be enforcing our safety laws.
Speaking of safety, we want to keep our Carlsbad residents safe. Make sure you stay up to date on the current e-bike safety laws.
Here we have Lola, Olivia, and Kerris to inform you on how to stay safe while riding around town.
In recent years, e-bikes have become more and more popular. This is due to many people of all ages enjoying the freedom of going places without the need of a car.
The thing I like about having an e-bike is that it sort of helps you get outside. You don't have to be in the car all the time, and I don't rely on my parents to drive me around. I can sort of go places on my own. Yeah.
Despite this, e-bikes have become a much larger hazard in recent years. In 2019, 30 collisions involving bikes or e-bikes were reported that year, whereas in 2021, the number had grown to 100.
Well, e-bike safety first comes with education, so it's about getting us out there to make stops to help educate people on the laws that go along with e-bike safety, understanding that e-bikes follow the same rules as a motor vehicle, so they need to go in the same direction as traffic. You can't ride on the sidewalk, you have to stop stop signs, stop lights, and improving safety overall, one rider to a bike, wearing a helmet. So first off is getting that education across, and then making sure that everybody understands the laws that go along with e-bike safety.
The Carlsbad City Council has updated its e-bikes rules as of May 2022. The newest rules include the city having authority to hand out citations for not abiding to the new regulations. This is Kerris, Arnett, Olivia Lee, and Lola Carson reporting for The Sage.
Hey Juliette, did you see what that person at lunch was wearing yesterday?
Yes, I did. Here on campus, we have some great fits to check out.
Let's give it to Elijah Sumlin and Isaac Flores, showcasing our Sage Creek fashion.
Give us a run through of what you're wearing today.
Jeans, Nike Blazers, Texas Future shirt, one of the greatest movies ever made, and of course the Sage Creek fanny pack.
I got the monkey glasses Hurley t-shirt, and then I got the drip.
Of course I got the AirPods, and then I got this from a concert, 21 Pilots concert.
So I kind of got this old ripped up kind of sweatshirt, and then I'm rocking the trucker and some shorts.
What about the Crocs? Yeah, the Crocs.
The Crocs go hard.
We got the Volcom shirt, we got the board shorts, and yeah, basically it.
What about the chain? Where's the chain from?
Rip Curl.
The backpack?
Or curl.
The shoes?
Brands.
What do you got on today?
I got my Blazers, best shoe. I got my jeans I got from Levi's, and then this jacket, which is sick. I got it. I forgot where I got it.
Talk about the hat.
The hat? Oh, you like the hat? I got that from Jimmy's. Yeah, I like this hat a lot too. Oh, peep the back of it. The barbed wire. I like that.
See with this drip, bro, where the hat from? I see it's clean.
Gucci.
Gucci. Okay. Okay, so where the shirt from?
Gucci.
Gucci again? Where the pants from?
Prada.
Alright, okay.
I'm wearing a shirt and some Nike shorts and some Vans.
I'm wearing a shirt, pants, and shoes.
I'm wearing really Yeezy slides, sweatpants, and a white shirt.
Those Yeezy slides don't look too real to me.
You're just a hater then.
How are we gonna leave out the man?
Elijah Sumlin, you already know.
Give us a run through of what you're wearing.
Okay, so this is Louis Vuitton Prada. Alright, so this costs 5 Uno cards, you know what I'm saying? Alright.
What about the pants?
Okay, so the pants is actually the ISO Speed 14s, you know, it's kind of like a Vans product, you know what I'm saying? Alright, these
I see you got the Air Forces on, or what are those?
These are actually Core Visions, it's like the broke Air Forces, you know what I'm saying? It's when you're in the trenches, you know? 20 Chuck E. Cheese tokens, if you're at Walmart, it's 5 V-Bucks, you know what I'm saying?
Cool, what do you rate your outfit at 10?
Honestly, I rate that like a triangle, bro.
Nice.
Hey Juliette, are you into fashion?
As you can tell, no, I'm much more into volleyball.
Well, we actually have something on volleyball for this next package. Here we have a Marisa Cepek and Skylar Roy with our girls volleyball team.
Hey Bobcats, I'm Marisa Cepek and I'm here with Talia, I play middle.
Haley and I'm a right side.
I'm Emma and I'm an outside. How do you say the season's going so far? I think it's going really well.
I think it's going really well. We've built a good team culture, and I think we have a good base for the rest of the season.
I agree. I think team foundation is so important in order to win games and to have a strong team culture in general. And I'm really excited to see who we play and how we play in the future. What are you guys' goals for this season?
I think one of our major goals is to just grow as a team and I think become better players individually and as a team.
I think it's really important that we stay competitive but also work as a team to really fight for every point against every team that we play.
I agree. I really want to win.
That was a great sports interview.
Make sure to come out and support the volleyball team for future games. That's all for today, Bobcats.
Make sure to check out all the latest articles at thesagenews.com and take a look at our Instagram and Twitter at The Sage Publication.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of The Sage.
This has been Isabella Bernabeo
and Juliette reporting for The Sage.